Hey everybody, welcome back to Sweet and Savory Barbecue. I'm your host, Jamie Trader. Today we're going to be doing teriyaki style party ribs on our Traeger grill. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make up a dry rub for our ribs. What I've got is a couple of tablespoons of kosher salt, couple of tablespoons of brown sugar, about a tablespoon of black pepper, teaspoon of ground coriander, 2 teaspoons of Chinese 5-spice, about a half a teaspoon of red pepper flake, and a tablespoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna get this blended up into a nice blend. That way we can get our ribs seasoned with it. So we've got some St. Louis style spare ribs here. You could use baby backs for this if you wanted. I would just go with some type of smaller rib, like a St. Louis cut or baby back. The full spares I think are going to be a little bit too big to cut them down into these party style ribs. So what we're going to do is just pat our ribs dry. We are going to go ahead and take this membrane off. Really easy to do. Just get your thumb underneath of it. Use a paper towel if you need to help get some grit. And just go ahead and take it on off of there. Now to get these cut down into party style, we're just going to cut them in between each bone. Like this piece has got a little bit of a hanging flat. We are going to cut that off. Just going to, basically you're pre-slicing them. And this end piece, I'm probably not going to use it. It's kind of thin. You can use it for whatever else. You can season it up and throw it on there if you want, but I think I'm just going to go with, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bones. I think that's going to be good for what we're doing today. Take that hanging piece off of there. Other than that, they're looking pretty good, and I think they're ready for some seasoning. So for our seasoning, we're just going to use that spice blend we made up. I'm not going to use any binder. Just going to get a pretty good coat on each one, kind of starting with the back side here. You can put this in a shaker if you want, but I think we're okay just to use our hands. Now the cool part with these party style ribs is you're going to be able to get seasoning all the way around them. So we're going to season all 4 sides. Get the sides. Now we're going to go to the other side, and then we'll get the top. All right, let's get our top sides. This rub smells really good. And our top sides. All right, we're going to let these hang out right here on the counter while we get our Traeger going. So for this cook, we're going to be using pecan pellets in our Traeger. Get our hopper filled up, turn our Traeger on. We're going to set it to smoke until we start seeing smoke rise out of the Traeger. Then we'll close it down, and then we're going to set it to 300 degrees. So our grill is up and running at 300 degrees. We're going to come in here and get our party ribs right on the rack, meat side up. We're gonna let these go for about an hour, and then we'll come back and check on them and see how they're doing. So while our ribs are on the smoker, we're gonna go ahead and make up a quick teriyaki sauce to glaze them with. I've got a cup of water here. I'm gonna go into a pot, followed by a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, followed by a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of ground ginger. We're gonna get this over to our stove, get it up to a simmer. Once it's simmering, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into about a 1/4 cup of cold water. Put that in this mixture to get it nice and thick to be able to glaze our ribs with. So our ribs have been on 1 hour now at 300 degrees. They're starting to get a good color. We're gonna get them inside, get them wrapped up with some of our teriyaki sauce and a little bit of brown sugar. So to get our ribs wrapped, I've just got them in a foil pan here. We're gonna use a little bit of brown sugar and about a half a cup of the teriyaki sauce we made. Give them a good mix. Make sure everything's kind of coated. We're gonna cover them with a piece of aluminum foil, get them down nice and tight, put them back on the smoker. We'll check on them in about an hour or so to see if they're tender. So our ribs have been wrapped on here for another hour. I'm just gonna take them out and kind of see if they're tender. They're looking good. Let's see if they're starting to get tender yet. I think they're about there. Nice and soft. 205 is what we're getting on an internal temperature. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get them off here after 2 hours. We're gonna get them inside and get them glazed up. So we've got our ribs in here. We're just gonna take them out of the pan. I've got a wire rack here just to make them easier to transport. And we're gonna get some of this teriyaki glaze on there. All sides. Set it over there. And then we're gonna set it back out on the grill at 300 degrees for about 10 minutes and let this sauce kind of tack in. So now we're gonna go in with the taste test. Flavor is really good. I will say, I don't feel like they get quite as tender as they do whole, but the flavor is still really good. This is also the first time I've ever made these, so Maybe next time I'll just cook them a little bit longer and maybe they'll turn out just a little bit more tender. Thank you for checking out this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check us out on all our other socials. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video, and we'll see you next time.